everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at another PS5. So I think this one doesn't power on. If I press power, it doesn't make any sounds or anything. The interesting thing about it is, I don't know if we'll be able to catch it, but maybe you can see it there. The HDMI port looks like it's jacked up, like it's missing a chunk of it. It's all bent up. So I'm wondering if no power has something to do with that jacked up HDMI. So the plan today is to open it up, take it apart. Let's see if we can fix it. Don't know, hopefully this one will be redeemable. If not, we'll learn something new about it. So yeah, I'll set you guys up, we'll take it apart, and we'll see what's going on.
And while we do that, I would like to say thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay, the premier destination for top quality printed circuit boards. In a short span, PCBWay has become the go-to choice for seamless online ordering, rapid prototyping, and unparalleled customization. From hobbyists like myself to industry leaders, PCBWay has earned the trust through its commitment to precision and reliability. Cutting-edge technology and a skilled team ensure that every PCB meets the highest standards. Beyond circuits, PCBWay fosters a vibrant community of creators, turning ideas into reality. Join the innovation wave with PCBWay, where quality meets ingenuity.
So honestly, before we even go crazy, I'm gonna just check the boot sequence. So what are we looking for? Like 321 milliamps, right? So if we give it that and that's fine, then we know what it is. So boop. Went up to like 274. What if there's any shorts anywhere? I think we should be looking for 321 plus minus. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, we got 279, 282, 284, 279, back down. So I'll probe around and see, but I know for sure the HDMI port, as you see now, if it's gonna focus, is all jacked up. Whoever was in here definitely jacked some other stuff up, because this is the what is this? It's not gonna focus, but the little connector for the USB. The pins are all bent up over here, so I need to find one of these. I need to get the power button connector. I need to fix this, and I'll see if there's anything else going on, because someone definitely was in here, I would assume. Alright, so I looked around, couldn't see anything. All my fuses are good, everything else good. I think the first thing I'm gonna do, just to get it out of the way, we'll swap out the HDMI port. We'll pull it. It's hanging on by a thread. Let's see if we lose any pins. We'll fix that, put this back in. I do have another case. I'll slap it in that case just to see when we press the power button what it actually does, versus assuming no power means no power when you didn't have the little flex to press. So let's get rid of this first. Alright, so I swapped out the HDMI port. I put a what are these called? Ribbon cables. I replaced this one. Maybe it'll be easier to see now. But it's not in the worst. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. It's not in the worst condition. But like some of the pins are kind of jacked up. So I just replaced it while we're here. Will it power on? I don't know. Maybe I should have. Hold on. Let me give it this little LED light so we can at least see if something happens. Blue. We get white. Blue. It's blue. Still blue. Ah, it turned white. And we get picture. You can't see the picture. Here's the picture. The repair is in repair was in process. Now the repair is done. Let's see. There we go. You get a picture. Okay, that's cool. So I guess whoever messed around in here, messed around and cooked the HDMI port, for whatever reason messed this ribbon cable up and messed this one up. So I'm gonna put it back together in another state. Just make sure it's working. We'll come back once it's fully together. Alright, one PS5 later. Put it back together. Let's see if she still powers on. Power button. Blue light. PS5 logo. We went white on the right. And there she is. Let's make sure my controller works. Should. Believe. Ah, yes, there we go. I'm just going to sign in with the account here. Let's see. Firmware. System software console info. We're on 25.05-11.60, so I think it's 1160. So yeah, this one actually wasn't bad. Turned out to be someone went in there, messed up the power port ribbon cable, messed up the front USB ports ribbon cable, placed those. HDMI port was also messed up. Placed that, did our little liquid metal cleanup, put it back together, and we're back going. So unfortunately, maybe it wasn't as interesting as you thought, but we got it done. So yeah, if you thought this was useful, interesting, something, like, comment, subscribe. It's always useful. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you.